back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be perfect for those of you who have great customer service skills, but you don't want to be stuck on the phone talking on the phone all day. This is going to be a non-phone support position. You're going to be answering emails, answering social media comments, and also answering online web chat. We are going to dive all into it. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Air Apps. Now, Air Apps is an AI-powered company. They are in that AI-generated technology space that seems to be taking off this year in 2023. They only have 23 reviews so far on Glassdoor, so please make sure you do your own research on this company before giving them any of your personal information. However, they do have a very high rating from those 23 reviews. They have a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a customer support specialist for their AI division. This is remote for the United States only. They do mention also hiring from other countries, but they don't state what other countries they hire from. But it says Air Apps is a fast-growing startup that is building innovative AI-powered apps to help people learn, communicate, and connect. But they're basically looking for somebody to respond to their user inquiries via email, chat, and social media in a timely and professional manner. You're going to help troubleshoot any technical issues related to the apps that they're having, any bugs, errors, and performance problems. You're going to provide them with guidance and support to the users on how to effectively and efficiently use the apps. And of course, you're going to identify and escalate any user feedback and issues up to the product and engineering teams, especially those bugs. You'll have to send those to the engineering teams to have the bugs fixed. Outside of answering customer questions, you'll also help develop and maintain support documentation like knowledge-based articles and FAQs. Now, it says they're looking for somebody who has a bachelor's degree in a related field or equivalent work experience. So I assume if you have a lot of customer service experience or any tech experience, they will accept that over a bachelor's degree. They do want 2 years or more in customer service, somebody who has great written and verbal communication skills, somebody who can be a problem solver, who can be professional, and is familiar with social media platforms. Now, unfortunately, I could not find pay listed for this position. That's going to be dependent on location and experience, but it does say they provide you $100 a month allowance for your home office. So maybe you can use this to pay your internet bill or something like that. They're also going to give you $350 up front to set up your home office. It does say they offer a standard benefit package including health insurance and paid time off. And at the very bottom, that's the disclaimer that says this position is fully remote. Sponsorships are not provided. You can work from any country. However, it's got to be a country that they hire in, but they don't list the actual countries they hire in. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.